Hi everyone, welcome back to Livie's Lovelies. I am just going to show you some of the things that I got at the Dollar Tree. When my son and I were out killing time, I stopped in to see if I could find the butterfly stamp that I've seen on YouTube in several different tutorials, as well as a couple of different Hampton art stamps, but my Dollar Tree is slow when it comes to the crafting stuff. So without further ado, let me just show you some of the stuff that we grabbed. Now, I grabbed these for my son because there are quite a few times where we will homeschool while he meals, and just to make sure that we have enough time at the end of the day to hang out or sports or whatever. So I grabbed a couple of these, which will fit real good and on his desk in front of his computer. The round ones, not so much, and it also leaves enough space for cup and snack and so on. So I grabbed a couple of those. These are my favorite cups. I'm down to one now. They come in a 3-pack, but I'm down to one now, and that one I've used it for about 2 years, so it's cracked on one of the sides, and I'm still using it because it's my favorite cup. And and then I picked up some spoons, another spoon set for him. This is a better fork for him than the metal one. Even though he's 6 years old, I'm still a little bit more cautious than maybe the average person would be when it comes down to utensils. So he had a blue set. So that's that. And then I grabbed him some drink boxes. They're actually cheaper at the dollar store than they are at the grocery store. I think they're like $1.67 or $1.99 or something like that at the grocery store. So I grabbed him those. He had to have this Paw Patrol coloring book, which I don't recall the last time I've seen him coloring in it. Well, you know, I'll take that back. He did have another Paw Patrol one that we picked up at Walmart, and we sat and went through all those pages, several days of hanging out in my room and what have you. And then I, of course, had to get some damage repair conditioner with soy protein and essential amino acids. I don't know anything about this brand, but I just need conditioner. So this was 32 fluid ounces. I just grabbed it, and it's much better than nothing at all. Then I needed some more plastic wrap for decoupaging and Mod Podging, because this is what helps keep you from putting your finger on the materials that you're putting on your vase or whatever you're layering on top of your container. So I use that, and I also use it in the kitchen, obviously. I love lavender, so I picked up a couple of these Sure scents. I'll put one in the bathroom and then one in my craft space. But it's 2 of them. I can smell it outside the package. It smells great. And then I saw that they had these really pretty stickers. And it has like the copper kettle pitcher. And then it's a little bit glittery. It's not too much, but it has like a Stickles effect on it. And they're two-dimensional. Some of it's raised up, and the other part of it is flat sticker. So I'll grab those. Those are cute. And what's a Dollar Tree haul or run without picking up some die-cast cars? I'm pretty sure he has something similar to this, but obviously he'd have to have more than one in order for him to be happy. The boy has a wagon full of them in his playroom, but I guess 2 or 3 or 1,000 more won't hurt. So that's his. They also had this Baker's Twine, which I really like the colors of it because they are more spring-like, so I'll obviously be able to use them in some craft projects. And this is by the Crafter Square, and that's in the craft area. And I never come out of there without, if they have them, I grab them because they're handy. Again, it's not a lot on the roll, but the glue is, the tape is what should I say, the glue is really sticky. So you don't have to worry about it falling apart. I have some two-way tape, and it is horrible. This isn't two-way tape. This is glue tape. So you get 2 of them in a pack. They only had 1 left on the rack, so I grabbed it. Then I saw this ribbon. It is like a pale teal with gold chevron on it. 3 yards, gross grain ribbon. Is it gross grain or is it gross grain? Anyways, these will be really pretty for some spring thank you cards or happy Easter and things like that. So grab that as well. As well as this sheer pink ribbon. I was doing some crafts over the week, and I was on a mad hunt for pink ribbon. I could not find it anywhere. I didn't have any. Bottom line is I didn't have any pink ribbon. And I thought to myself, I call myself a crafter and I don't even have pink ribbon. But nevertheless, this is sheer. It has like a little bit of an iridescent sheen to it. And it's 6 yards. So, and I have this in orange and black. Well, I used all the black over Halloween. But you get a lot of it on that roll for that $1. And then I picked up these cute jewels and gems. 32 pieces in the pack. It has like a turquoise, a lavender, pink, a mint green or Saldon green in there. And of course these are great for, you can use them on anything because it's not raised up real high. You can use these on cards. You can use these on the outside of your journals. You can even use them as planner clips, which I plan to do. Or the center of flowers. So it's a good deal, $32 for $1. And then, of course, I could not pass up the pretty little butterfly napkins. They had the paper plates like this too, but I don't really have any use for the paper plates. I plan to use this in a couple of Mod Podge projects and some spring gifts that I plan on sending and creating as giveaway gifts. So stay tuned for that. You'll see these coming up soon. And Mama can't walk out of there without a luxury gift. I have no idea how this works or, the quality of it. But it is LA Colors Lip Duo Gloss Lipstick. So there's lipstick at the top, the sparkly kind of gloss at the bottom. I'm a lip gloss girl. I don't do much makeup. I don't have a lot of time for it. There was a time where I did, enhance my beauty daily. But I'm a boy mom. So I am at sports events. I'm on the trail, walking. I'm outside. And I'm sure there's plenty of women and moms who are glammed to the teeth, even at these different events and, out and about. I just don't have the time for it. I'd rather spend those extra few minutes crafting or prepping for a craft or editing a video for you all. So that's that. But this color is called Charmed, and it's CBL C826 in the rare event that you want to run out and grab yourself one as well. And lastly, I picked up, my son saw it and he had to have it, this cute little Easter egg wall hanging. So we'll put this in his classroom area over on his wall, and that will be a little reminder. I saw some window stickers and I thought we put those in the cart, but obviously we didn't because they're not in the bag. I have to check the receipt, but I thought this was cute. It's not too feminine. It's got pink in there, but it's not too feminine. So that is it for my haul. If y'all can find some of those Hampton Art stamps, please let me know. I am willing to pay for them and pay for the shipping. The ones that have, it looks like you can color in them. You can stamp and, well, is there another way for you to say stamp and color? Yeah, so anyways, that's it. Livy's Lovelies. Thanks for stopping by. Until we see each other again here on YouTube, stay blessed, stay encouraged, stay creative in crafting. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and you want to subscribe so that you receive notifications to future videos. All right, y'all. Enjoy y'all day. Take care.